We have Ursula today with our August Project Life pages.
Yeah, this month was a lot about creating my own backgrounds. If you remember, I had a lot of stencils that I chose.
Right.
And so I'm just going to kind of go through and show you what I did. Started out here, and you can see that this is using that Crafters Workshop stencil. There's two. There's the one with the yellow and then the blue. And you're going to see that theme kind of throughout all of the weeks here. So just going to kind of point out some details. This one again was the stencil, and we did that one with the ink. It was real simple to do, but I love that it's unique. Now I have things in here that nobody else is going to have in their book.
True.
So I really like that. So again, and I did kind of do color themes. So you can see that this is yellow with a few touches of blue. So here again, using the stencil.
So did you take the pages that were kind of yellow, or are they totally in order of weeks, right?
Yeah. So no, I didn't. It was just whatever pictures went with it, but I have a theme of color for each week that I used for the things that I built, if that makes sense. So then I wanted to point out, these here are the Jenny Bolin rub-ons, and those were a lot of fun to add onto things. Real simple. We've got those fun Jenny Bolin sequins. We've got the star brads, lots of fun little details. This one was fun because the page was already made, this card was already made, and I just added a couple of stickers, my dates, and the Jenny Bolin sequin to the top of that. I did want to point out these are these black stickers from the Chalk It Up line. I think that was My Mind's Eye.
Right.
And I just used a chalk pencil that I have. It's actually for sewing stuff, but that's how I wrote on that. So if you're kind of wondering how to write on those, because they don't come with a pencil,
right,
that works really well.
Chalk pencils and the white pens work.
Yeah, I didn't have a white pen on hand, so that's what I used this time. Here we go, just dressed up some of my pictures with stickers. These are just some stickers from the My Mind's Eye, and I think that might have been Echo Park. And then again here with the stencils, I used several different stencils on most of them so that I have kind of a variety of texture. And then over here, this was a cutout from the die cut memory box. Right.
I saw that.
And then I backed it with some paper and then just used some stickers that I had. You'll see a lot of these sequins just kind of sprinkled around. They add color. This one I liked. I spray inked that stencil. It's that same one that you saw right here.
Yeah.
It's that same stencil. But when I sprayed it, it came out kind of messy, and I thought, well, heck, I kind of like the look, but I still wanted to use the Hello Today, so I actually just traced it with my pen.
Yeah. So
that's easy to do, but you still have that kind of watercolor look.
Very creative month, yeah.
Yeah, I had a good time this month playing with things. Over here is just a piece of blank white paper that I took the die cut from Memory Box, added it, and then just some detail work over here with stickers. And then there's those fun sequins from Jenny Bolin.
Wow. Yeah.
Isn't that fun? And that little star in the center. Lots of these too. You're going to see I've added these stars just kind of around, just for detail.
I'm laughing at your little picture over there.
Is
with
that
a dog
funny?
looking at the cat in the toilet, like, what are you doing?
Yeah, well, because, you know, the freshwater bowl is not good enough. Somehow they like the freshly flushed toilet. It's kind of gross, but they're dogs and cats. So.
And cats, yeah.
This was fun. I wanted to point it out. This is one of the Prima little chipboard pieces, this camera.
Right.
And so they're just, I don't know if I
wood
have
pieces?
They look like wood, but it's chipboard actually.
Okay.
So I took embossing powder and embossed that to give it that color, and it's going to have that sheen, of course. And then just added 3 little sequins in the center.
Cute.
Kind of like, you know, if you had a flash on it. Over here we've got some stamping. This one I also wanted to point out, this is tape. So I made my own card just using some washi tape that I had got from My Mind's Eye. And then I've just got a border, and I can add a little stamp, add a little bit of sequin in there. Here we go again with some of that chipboard. This time I used that Galaxy.
Blue Fern Studios.
Is it Blue Fern Studios?
Yeah, is that what that is then?
Yes,
oh, okay.
Blue Fern Studios. I take it back.
It's hard to tell because it has that nice brown on Blue Fern.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. So that's the Galaxy ink coloring that bright silver color. It really covers nicely. And then let's see, go on here to the next page. Again, we've got those stickers. This one I just cut the top off of, so I don't have the whole sticker. And then I've added some of the Jenny Bolin right onto the sticker and then topped it off with a Star Brad. This is just the cutout, and then I just added a little chipboard to it. You're seeing too that I've rounded the corners of a lot of these, and when I do it on one side, I do it on the other side so that it matches. And let me see here, what else do we have? This is another piece from the Blue Fern Studio. This one I used Heidi Swapp Gold Lame
Oh, that
spray.
looks good.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
And then again, just details from those chipboard pieces. I did want to point this one out. You've got the sequin and then another sequin, and that star was, it was that color. And then I used the golden paint on top of that. So it gave it a little texture, and it's that nice bright gold color because I wanted the lighter color. And then these cards, you've probably seen them, a few of them. I love them because I don't have to do anything, but I love that chalk look.
Right.
And this is another card made with washi tape as the border. Let's see. And then one last week here. So you've got some more stenciling showing up here. This is fun from the 6x6 pad. And it was just it was one of those 3x4 cards, but they shrink them down in the 6x6 pad. So it gave me just a little piece that I could add. Again, stenciling. I cut it down the middle with a sticker. This is the Jenny Bolin rub-ons, and this one I actually inverted, so I did half one direction, half the other, and I've got that nice kind of square diamond feel to it. So just lots of details you can make to create it, make it your own thing. Oh, here I wanted to show you. That was the sequin, and I used it as an arrow.
Oh.
So I've got the arrows here and an arrow here and a little arrow here. You can pull those Jenny Bolin things apart and just use little pieces of them.
Cool.
So there you go. That's August.